after the successful operation conducted by Pakistan Army in the valley of Swat. Challenges like rebuilding, rehabilitation, political stability and the de-radicalization of those locals who came under the influence of terrorists' propaganda also came in the way. Recently Pakistan Army arranged a national seminar on de-radicalization in Mingora, Swat. Mingora was the place where 2 years back no one could even think of such an activity, but the sacrifices of the people of Swat and the brave soldiers and officers of Pakistan Army made it possible. The seminar was covered by both local and international media. Experts from Pakistan and from around the world gave brief explanation on causes of radicalization and solutions for de-radicalization. Each panelist was given a time to share their experience. In addition, there was also a Q&A session at the end of each day of seminar. Participants were also taken to the de-radicalization centers in Swat established by Pakistan Army. Centers like Saboon and Misal to show the commitment and devotion of Pakistan Army for bringing peace in the region. Dear friends, seeing is believing. Pakistan Army is doing a fantastic job. Long live Pakistan and the Armed Forces of Pakistan.